Hi everyone, welcome to Technology World Up. My name is Anil. So in this session, I am going to discuss one course of interview question which I faced in Wipro. That is, there will be a string of numbers. From that string of numbers, I will basically fetch different numbers, two-digit numbers basically, and from that I am going to get the maximum number. So let's start this. Okay. So let's open IntelliJ. Yeah. So if you'll see the number is 50890990. This is a string, and from the string we need to derive numbers like 50088990099990, and from that we will get the largest number. Okay. So if you'll see here, uh, this is a string, right? And from that string we will derive this number. That means let's say consider first number, that is 50. That means first zeroth index and first index. 08, that is first index, second index. 89, so second index, third index, so like that. Okay, so with two consecutive index we will create the number. Okay, let's do that first. Let's first define the string. So string, let's say str is equal to, okay, let's copy this, and yeah, this is the string. Then what we can do, let's create one variable, maybe int, something called int, let's say max is equal to 0. Initially we'll define the value as 0. Okay, then after that what we can do, if you'll see consecutive two indexes, the combination of consecutive two indexes is returning string, returning the number. That means it is a substring also. That's part of substring. So let's create one for loop, and also let's check what is the number. So if you see here, the length of the string will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. And how many numbers we are getting? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, the length is 8, but we are getting 7 numbers. Okay, so in this case, let's create one for loop, or let's say int I is equal to 0, I less than str dot length minus 1. Because why? Because we will start from 0 and the length is actually 8 here. So we will go from 0 to 6 because we require 7 numbers, right? So that's why we will go from 0 to 6. Okay, so here the length is 8, so we will be going from 0 to less than 7, because 0 to 7, so less than 7 in the sense 0 to 8 minus 1, that is 7. Okay, so that's how the calculation will be, and I plus plus. Okay, so next what we can do, let's create the substring. Let's say string, let's say I'll put pair, something like that. String pair is equal to, let's say str dot substring, from which index? I to I plus 2, because I to two index included, from index will be excluded. That means if we'll take I substring I plus 2, it will take from ith index to I plus 1 index. So I plus 2 will be excluded. So our requirement is taking the 2, consecutive 2. So that means I plus 1. Understood? So let's print this for your understanding, just for checking that. So I'll put system.out.println. Let's say I'll write on pair. Okay, so let's print this, and instead of println, let's put it as a print. And what we can do, we can give one comma here. Okay, so let's print this and we'll see the result. Let's see. Perfect, absolutely fine. So it is printing C H4 requirement 50 08 50 08 89 90 09 99 90. Okay, so that's what it is printing. Okay, so this is absolutely working fine. Then what we can do? Okay, let it be. Okay, so what we can do here? Okay, so let's take one more integer. No, basically what we'll do, we'll convert this string into integer. Okay, so how exactly? Integer dot parse int. Parse int. Integer dot parse int, and we'll write down pair. Okay, and we'll store it in integer variable because it is a integer, it will return integer type, right? So int, let's say num. Okay, then we will compare. We'll put one condition. If let's say num greater than, let's say max we have set up 0, then just what we can do, you can store num in max. That means max is equal to num. Understood? And at the end just print system.out.println. Okay, system.out.println, and okay, then we'll put max. So we'll put basically maximum number from the derived list is maximum number from the derived list is, so 1 second, plus max. Okay, so let's run this and we'll see the result. See, perfect, absolutely working fine. So what I can do, I can put just one println statement so that it will come to the next line. Okay, after printing, so it will come to the next line. See, let's run this one more time. Yeah, so it is a 50 08 89 90 09 99 90, and the maximum number from the derived list is 99. So absolutely working fine. Okay, understood? Yeah, so that's how you can do the that's how you can write down the program. So this is one of the important question, so which I faced in Wipro. Just I thought to share with you guys. So that's it for today. So keep practicing, keep learning. So I will come up with some interesting topics. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Please like it, subscribe it, share with your friends and family, and please comment it. So that's it for guys. Thank you so much.